You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to delete comments from your Instagram story. First, open your current story by tapping your profile picture at the top of the feed. Once your story is open, swipe up on the screen. This action reveals the viewers list and all the comments and replies left on that specific story. Find the comment you want to delete. Next to the comment, you will see a three-dot menu icon. Tap on this three-dot icon. A small menu will pop up. Select Delete from this menu. The comment will be immediately removed. Only you, as the story poster, can see this menu and delete comments. The person who wrote the comment will not be notified that it was deleted. You can repeat this process for any other unwanted comments on that story. To delete all comments from a viewer at once, you can go a step further. Go to your profile, tap the menu, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Comments. Here you can block specific users from commenting on your posts and stories altogether. Remember, you can only delete comments on a story while it is still live, which is within 24 hours of posting, unless you have saved it as a highlight. For more simple Instagram management tutorials, subscribe to the channel.